Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of branding and design, but with a twist, AI. That's right, we're going to explore how artificial intelligence can revolutionize your branding process with its remarkable logo creation capabilities. Now, imagine this. You need a logo for your business, your brand, your passion project, but you're not a designer. Traditional logo creation might be costly, time-consuming, or just plain frustrating. But fear not, because AI is here to save the day. Start by typing Bing AI into Google. Click on the first website you see. The interface will be open. Write your prompt now. As an example, I would like to create a logo for a food panda business. Hence, I write, create a 3D pictorial logo named Food Panda 8K HD Pixel. Then I clicked Create. We have received 4 logos from it. Here is the result. The prompt can be changed. Instead of a pictorial logo, I write an illustration logo. Click on the Create button. As you can see, the result is impressive. Now I've added the best logo. Now let's Here is the result. It sometimes makes spelling mistakes, so let me tell you how to fix it. The Food Panda has a spelling mistake. Here is how to fix it. In order to do this, we must download it. Go to Canva. Simply click on the Custom Size button. You can select the size that you need. As for the ratio, I chose 1000-1000. Click on the Create New Design button. Uploaded the file whose spelling needs to be corrected. Click on Set Image as background. Select the picture. Click on the Edit Picture button. By clicking Grab Text, you can see that we have selected the text. We can now write any text we want. I'll write Food Panda. You can see. Using this method, we can grab any text and change it according to our requirements. You can download it from here. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to the headaches of traditional logo design and hello to the future with the Bing AI Logo Creator. Your brand deserves. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy branding!